Hello, greetings from Boonri. In today's GK topic, we will see how to protect your smartphone from hacking. What are some tips that can keep your phone safe even if it is stolen? Watch ahead. Smartphone technology has become an integral part of our daily lives. We use them for shopping, ordering food, booking cabs, making payments, and whatnot. Therefore, we store a lot of confidential information such as passwords and credit card details on our smartphones. Our phones have some built-in security measures, but are they fully hack-proof? Not really. There have been many cases of people losing a lot of money because of hacking. So it's very important to pay attention to keep our phones safe. How? Watch ahead. Number 1. The simplest method is to lock your phone and apps. Set a passcode or a pattern or a fingerprint. Never keep passcodes that are easy to guess, such as your date of birth or your wedding anniversary date, etc. Number 2. Update and install your software and apps promptly. You should download the latest software update and install them on your phone. Why? Hackers know how to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in systems. The updates are improvements that are made to increase security and eliminate weaknesses. Number 3. Use free Wi-Fi very wisely at public places, such as railway stations, airports, shopping malls, etc. This also applies to turning off Bluetooth when not in use, as such open networks might not have strict means of security, and this gives an easy chance for hacking. Number 4. Do not click open any random links that you receive through emails or WhatsApp messages. Never open any such random links which are unknown to you. Why? Clicking on these links might leak your confidential information, or it might also lead to downloading and installing any harmful software or apps on your phone without your knowledge. So better to avoid such links. These were some simple techniques, but you also need to do some security measures in detail. What are they? Take a look. Number 5. You need to review your phone's app permissions. Why? Usually when we install an app, it gives us different prompts as shown here, where we can choose allow or deny to access the phone's camera or location or contacts, etc. We should check this, as some apps might be having access to the camera while it's actually not even needed. Hence, you need to keep a check on the permissions granted. How do you check that? If you're using an Android phone, you can check this through your phone's settings and then go to apps and notifications. Within that, we need to click on the app name and select permissions. For Apple users, you can go to your phone settings and tap on privacy to see the permissions granted. Number 6. When you visit some websites for the first time through your phone and enter login information such as ID and password, you get a prompt to save your password, so that the next time it will auto login and save your time from entering password. Don't use this feature because if your phone is stolen, this can be an easy access to the hacker. So do not keep your passwords saved. 7. Don't download any random apps. Check its ratings and see if it's genuine. Only then go ahead with downloading. Never do it just randomly. Number 8. Another very important feature is to use a setting called Find My iPhone or Device. By turning the feature on, you'll be able to locate your phone if you misplace it by tracking the current location on map. This might help you to retrieve your phone in case it's lost. These methods that we've just shared with you are not foolproof, but it is still better in reducing the probability of your phone being hacked. So do follow these steps.